नमस्कार टेस्टिले टू ऑल माय व्यूअर्स, दिस इज टेकी कैमो बैक विद अ न्यू वीडियो। सो आज की वीडियो में मैं आपको एक ब्यूटीफुल प्लेस दिखाऊंगी जो कि दिरांग पे है। सो आज मैं अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ पिकनिक में आई थी तो मुझे ये प्लेस बहुत खूबसूरत लगा। सो मैं अपनी मेमोरीज आप सभी के साथ शेयर करना चाहती हूँ ताकि किसी दिन आप भी यहाँ आए तो आप भी इस खूबसूरत सी जगह का लाभ उठा सके। सो लेट्स गो गाइज।
But I don't wanna be another clerk to serve the slaver. Give me what is mine, bitch, that is liberty. Talk about the mind and trim when you turn into liberties.
Eccentric, which means you don't really wanna see me thrive with it now. Want the best for me, no, you just hope I sick with it now.
I'm sick of that bluffer. Cut the bullshit, manifest the clown figure. Look, I'm still slick, I did not be pretender. I know where I stand, and fuck a fabler, I'm a realist.
Sometimes I see what this life is to me. Do I fall or do I speak? People judging in they sleep. Wish I was a brother with more bars in my set. Wish I got more bars for these rats in the trap. Do I need the money or should I speak facts? All I ever knew was the realness of my past.
Just when they thought my time's up on turntables, you ain't competition, boy, you still in your cradle. They sure ain't fond of me, they hate my philosophy. Brother, why I'm not a bluffer, I want sugarcoat your dreams. They do it for the clicks, but we live for this our life. Damn, people make excuses for that shit, but whack is whack, fam. This is for the hustlers, we do it for the art type. Won't be giving no fuck to swagger jackers.
No.
Dream bigger, do it like you Big Papa. Don't give no shits by the player hater. You wanna make it to the toys when it gets sick. Y'all wanna be an average, you gotta push.
Yo, girl, let me tone it down for them. Now listen up everybody, keep it a buck, keep it real and keep it honest. And if you wanna keep yapping, you better run it. We bout that action, I swear you don't want none of it. I mean I lost a couple times, but that's when you learn. Ain't nothing wrong with people trying. I show what I got, you showing off with your pride. The ego you bullshit and you know I don't comply. Shout out to people who go hustle for it, not the ones who flex their cash when they daddy owns. My OGs, they respect me for it. That's why they give me platforms so I perform like Mufasa on it. Better yet, I better castle on it. Who'd ever thought a young brother singing R&B would bang the hardest? Me and Guy and I be killing verses. Better believe you succeed, we are the upcoming breed. Sometimes I see what this life is to me. Do I fall or do I speak? People judging if they sleep. Wish I was a brother with more bars in my set. Wish I got more bars for these rats in the trap. Do I need the money or should I speak facts? All I ever knew was the realness of my past.
Somebody would have told me, babe, someday these will be the good old days. All the love you won't forget, and all these reckless nights you won't regret. Someday soon your whole life's gonna change. You'll miss the magic of these good old days.
I was thinking about the band, I was thinking about the fans. We were underground, loading merch in that 12-passenger van. in a small club in Minnesota, and the snow outside of First Ave. I just wanted my name and a star. Now look at where we at, still growing up, still growing up. I would lay in my bed and dream about what I've become. Couldn't wait to get older, couldn't wait to be some. Now that I'm here, wishing I was still young. Those good old days.
I wish somebody would've told me, babe, that someday these would be the good old days. All the love you won't forget, and all these reckless nights you won't regret. Cause someday soon your whole life's gonna change. You'll miss the magic of the good old days.
Wish I didn't think I had the answers. Wish I didn't drink all of that glass first. Wish I made it to homecoming, got up the courage to ask her. Wish I would've gotten out of my shell. Wish I put the bottle back on that shelf. Wish I wouldn't have worried about what other people thought, and felt comfortable with myself. Rooftop open, and the stars above. Moment frozen, sneaking out and falling in love. Me, you, and that futon, we just begun. On the grass dreaming, figuring out who I was. Those good old days.
I wish somebody would've told me, babe,